We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2021 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S. This one is in vivid black. We have dual disc braking in the front, also has ABS, 114 cubic inch engine, San Diego Customs rider pegs. Also has an extremely comfortable saddleman seat. And the last thing that was done to this bike before trade-in, they have those swept back handlebars and really comfy grips. Now, miles are extremely low. We're at 524. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week. Come check this one out. It will not last long.